Hey, so I'm going to start off with kind of a janky part, only in the sense that I've got this reverb kind of working for my audio system, but I've highly exaggerated it so that you know that it is actually doing it, and I'm not just saying it is and it's going. So first I'll show you this audio sample with my volume set as low as possible without reverb. So that's that, and then with the reverb, since it's reverb, it kind of, well, it's going to be louder because there's a whole nother signal of echoes under it, and I've made it 100 seconds of delay with 5 decibels of gain. So turn your volume down after I hit play, and then I promise there'll be no loud volume after this. Yeah, so there's reverb, and it, I'm gonna add next week thread commands so that these parameters can actually be changed by the user, but right now it's just all in the audio engine. Here it has a separate reverb send voice that it uses in addition to the regular voice. So that's the reverb. Next thing I have is multiple camera angles for the tank. I think that's this stuff. Yep. Press C, and you can look around. Wow. Probably got some issues there. I thought I did some stuff with the rendering, but I guess I didn't do it yet. And the big thing was the sprint I missed last week was the terrain's kind of the main thing I wanted to show you. So that's still working. I'll just run that here. I think this might be the version. Yes, okay. So got the terrain, and the ship moves along here, and let's see, it collides with the terrain. Yeah. So that's that. I'll show you some of the code. Now it's obviously an actual engine system compared to last week. So there's the terrain manager now that loads the asset. That loading happens here in load resources. The terrain, it's loaded with these parameters, and then it's kind of just like another asset manager. And then the terrain itself, it's pretty much the same as before, except that the actual collision processing is happening via the iterator deal here. I have a terrain cell range, which has in itself an iterator that iterates over not a collection of terrain cells, but the terrain cells are just what I kind of glorified struct that makes an AABB out of the maximum points of the terrain, which you can see it being used in the collidable command, or test terrain command. Because terrain cell range, it's basically just kind of the usage that you showed us in class. It gets this, and then it gets an iter based on the start of that, and does this tiered testing here. And that's my systems. Cool.